Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with Capitec Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in capitecbank.co.za and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Capitec Bank. Now in order to log into your account, just click on the online banking section at the top right corner. Now you can select from personal banking or business banking account. So choose whichever account you have and then click on the blue button which will take you to the login portal. Now you will be asked to enter your account number or your username. So just go ahead and type in your account number or your username and click on the continue button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Just type in your password and click on the login button and you will be logged into your account with Capitec Bank. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Capitec Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.